Feature-packed, reliable, and completely portable, FOXTR Mobility's brand new FOXTR I Travel Scooter is here, and it does not compromise. A perfect companion fit for everyday use, this scooter is comfortable, powerful, and stylish. The FOXTR I features ultra suspension technology with large front and rear coils for comfortable mobility. Plus, 7-inch front and 8-inch rear non-marking tires add to the FOXTR's smooth ride, also creating higher clearance for your safety and ease of use. Relax and enjoy your ride on the scooter's folding, cushioned seat featuring extra large armrests. Slide the seat backwards or forward to find the perfect fit. Taking apart or assembling the FOXTR I is easy. Simply remove the seat, lift up the battery, take off the basket and fold the Delta tiller, and take the body of the scooter apart. You now have 5 manageable pieces that can fit into the trunk of most cars. Additional comfort features of the FOXTR I include an extra-large carry basket, an LED lighting package, a convenient adjustable tiller, and 2 handy charging ports. Enjoy your FOXTR with peace of mind. It includes limited lifetime warranty on the frame, 24 months on controllers and electronic components, and a class-leading 1-year warranty on batteries. If you are looking for a fully loaded portable mobility scooter at a great price, look no further than the FOXTR I from FOXTR Mobility, the brand new scooter that, just like you, does not compromise.